What about the vinegar? Vinegar that was transformed from wine. You know, a lot of time the origins of vinegar is wine. And as you see in some supermarkets here in the West, there is a label on some of them that says red wine vinegar. So is red wine vinegar halal or haram?
It's coming from wine.
Huh?
If it's not alcoholic and it's not going to...
Exactly. If it's not alcoholic, it's not haram. There is something called transformation. I alluded to that concept a few days ago. Let me just shed some light on it. And the example I gave is the gelatin. I said if the gelatin goes through a total transformation, it's halal. Let me give you another example of complete and total transformation that changes the ruling as well. Let me give you another example. Here we have a dog. Is dog najis or pure? Najis. So this dog dies. Is it najis or pure? It's double najis. Now it is dead and it is dog, right? So it's double najis, right? Because every carcass is najis. This is not only carcass, this is a dog. So dog and dead, twice, double najis. Now someone threw this najis dog on the shores, okay, on the beach. And after a few days or a few weeks, this dog turned into salt. Salt. It happens. If you threw the body of the carcass, the dog or any other animal on the, let's say, on a pool of salt, a few days later it turns into salt. So a few weeks later, this dog completely turned into salt. Can I drink? Can I use that salt? Can I eat it? Yes. Is it tahir? Yes. How come? This salt was made of a dog. So how do you eat it? The answer is I eat it because it's not dog anymore. When it was dog, it was haram for me to eat it and to touch it. Now that the nature of this substance changed completely to something new, it's not najis, it's not dog anymore. It's salt, and salt is halal. You tell me, but the origin, you tell me this, the origin of this is dog. I said, I don't care about the origin. Now it is not dog, it is salt, and salt is a pure. Another example is wine. Is wine halal to drink? No. Is it pure or najis? It is najis. Now, if this wine turned and transformed into vinegar through some chemical processing that changed the nature, so the liquid inside this bottle was wine, then it was haram to drink and it was not najis to touch. But now that this wine, due to some chemical processing, transformed into vinegar, vinegar is different than wine. Completely different substance. Then vinegar is halal to drink and it is tahir to touch. So when you read red wine vinegar, do not worry about the red wine. Worry about the vinegar. This red wine vinegar is vinegar. It's not red wine. It is called red wine maybe to allude to its origin. It was before red wine. Now it became vinegar. The bottom line is vinegar is tahir. No matter the origin, what the origin is. Even if it was wine 2 days ago, a week ago, but now since it is wine, since it is vinegar, it is halal and it is tahir, and there is nothing wrong with consuming vinegar. So, and this is called istihala or inqilab. In English means complete and total transformation. Now,